How awesome is this though? That was one of the best things we've done in the whole of Thailand. It was so much fun sitting on the river eating that food. Epic. It's called a Mookata. We actually looked that up. Pork means moo. Moo means pork and kata means pan. So pork pan. And a lot of pork. Chicken was really good as well. But the whole experience with the veg and the noodles.
A must-do activity in Bangkok. Get a Mookata on the river.
I think we're at the right place. Head on in. Here we go. Get yourself tagged, Rick. Not 100% sure what all that is. We're right on the river. You can tell by the barges going past. That tiny little boat is pulling all that. Wow. Anyway, let's try to figure this out. Then we cook on this. I'm actually looking around. There are some other people here. And it looks like they put some liquid in there. That's that. And then they start it somehow. Oh, we got someone to help us. And then he's putting this on. Water. Broth. Okay. I think this might be a lot more fun than we thought. Start grabbing some interesting looking stuff, Rick.
Yeah.
Sick. Oh, you need that to rub on your thing so nothing sticks.
Maybe.
Start with the fat, and that's basically like oil. Bacon. Oh.
We'll get 2 of those each.
That's how you start.
Yeah. You try one?
Yeah, sure. This could quite possibly be chicken.
Put a little bit of that.
Grab some of what is that, Rick? It looks like fish fins.
Looks like a salmon.
Yeah.
Sort of. With skin on it.
Yeah, I think it's the fins.
Ah, it's going to be nice or not?
No.
Okay.
Some sweet pork, char siu. Oh, nice looking piece of fish. This is really good looking meats, Rick.
Yeah.
And it's a $1.99 barbecue. Let me remind you guys, on the river. Oh, well, Ricky's preparing to get some veg. Have a look at this.
And there's like rice and sauce.
Look at all those sauces. It's like a real loads of stuff. Oh yeah, mushrooms. Grab a piece of corn, Rick. Oh, and you got to get some of the basil as well. I think that's the Thai basil, just a little.
You get a treat or not?
Getting some of the chili sauces, Rick. And they actually have like garlic and pieces of chili as well as all the other sauces. Oh. Are you just mixing everything in one?
Yeah, I'm making my own mix.
Check out our beautiful plate. We got some meats and things here, and our veg. Oh, let's do that. Not moving as predicted.
Melting, it's back into the...
Yeah, well, chuck a piece of corn into the water. I think that's what you do. That's how you cook your corn. Slowly roll it around.
Cool.
Boil up some veg. This is our first time, guys, so if we're doing it wrong, let us know. Just put in the comments how badly you're doing it wrong. But still remember, we are in Bangkok, guys. This is where we are. Chuck the mushrooms in.
There's some fat coming off that now.
Oh, finally getting some fat rendering off.
Oh, look at the
Oh. And all the flavors are going to go into that liquid.
I just realized that.
Bacon, put bacon. We want more bacon flavored liquid. Oh man, this is going to be so much fun.
It's already so much fun.
Chicken's going to cook for a long time, so try and stick it on there.
Give it sticks and it'll stay stuck. But not 100%,
You know, lifestyling, guys. To show you guys how well we're doing.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
look at this.
It's looking beautiful. That's a boat behind you, by the way, Rick. Anyway, I'm going to add a little bit of this. Oh, we got 2 spoons. To the water. Not too much. Yeah, flavored water. I just want to eat something now. There we go with the chicken. We have the fat a little bit. And look, oh, look at that.
Wow.
That's how you cook. Master chef. Everyone else is doing well like us. And by that I mean we're doing like everyone else.
They're all sitting.
I think you're cooking the fat as well. I see the guy eats a bit, so obviously as you go.
Yeah.
I've discovered the secret. What you do is you cook the one side and then you pull it off and it just goes plopping into the water. Oh.
Chicken done.
I don't know. I'm a little bit concerned because it's so soft.
I'm sure it's done.
Try a little. Oh, that is the best cooked chicken ever. It actually tastes really good. It's spicy.
Oh, nice.
Are we good cooks or what? I like how they've marinated some of the stuff. It really does taste great. I'm going to try some of these mushrooms.
Good mushroom. Look at this, eh? Throw some more on. Good space.
Wow, look at that go.
This is a Thai style barbecue.
Yeah, I mean, it's really good.
Yeah, and so much fun.
It is, you get to cook your own food like you're at home, but you're on the river.
It is fantastic on the river.
You're going to get a sunset as well.
Yeah, hopefully. That's not that corn. Might be a little bit hot now.
Oh, good corn. Yeah,
I thought it would take longer to cook, but it didn't.
maybe it's hot cooked. It's so sweet. It's the fish. You need a spatula though.
I know, or tongs or something. Go nick some of the tongs from the serving station. Oh, Brian's gone to fetch some more bits. I don't know if you're supposed to, but
Oh, look at that. It's like deglazing. A little bit more, Rick. Clever trick. What happened to the broth? Oh, I got some instant noodles. That's going to be so good in there now. Rick here is about to perform something no one's ever done.
yeah, because they've got to make your own salad station, which we don't know how to do. But
That looks like lamb. Ooh.
Not very juicy like.
The least juicy lamb in all time. And everything you put on the top runs down to the bottom.
Brilliant. And then I've got some plain garlic as well.
We're going to cook some. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Now we've got garlic up there. We're starting to do. Oh, it's starting to smell so good. Long-tail boat.
Noodle time.
I'm gonna just try to chuck some in. See what happens.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll break it a little bit more. I'll do a little bit at a time, see how that works.
Yeah.
I might have done too much on that one.
I think when it gets soft it'll, I don't know. It all looks so cool though.
It does.
And like you're eating everything piping hot.
Yeah, because you're eating everything when it's cooked. And I'm surprised the liver was actually quite nice.
Awesome.
Livery. Lollipop things.
Oh, what on earth is in there?
What is that?
That thing's pink and gushy.
I mean, it's got this lolly on the outside. I didn't expect to have the sherbet on the inside.
What does it taste like?
Hot.
Like a fake prawn. It sort of looks like a fake prawn.
It's a fishball on the outside, but it's like a creamy shrimp paste on the inside.
Oh wow.
But it tastes really good. These are really nice.
Ah,
Get one if you can try it. Try one if you can.
I'm not sure.
As I'll fire off.
Oh, he came and changed the gas for us. Oh, and he's got to move the thing. Oh, he's so brave. Oh, you can feel the heat. Thank you.
This is 30. No, it's really cool. You also get a Chang for 100.
Oh wow, cool.
And the Pepsi is 40 for the 1 litre.
That's not bad at all, eh?
And you get this feast for 200.
Yeah, and yeah, wow. And this view. Burning.
Oh, this is the Sunset Buffet if anyone's interested. This is what it looks like. How awesome is this though? With a beer.
But look, these are coming along nicely.
How good those noodles are going to taste with that broth.
Oh, amazing.
My chopstick skills are really lacking. I don't know what's wrong with them on this, but check out that broth soaked noodle. I'm going to get a little bit of the broth as well, because who wouldn't?
Of course, it's got to be hot though, eh?
That is extraordinarily good.
Ah.
It's got quite an intense flavour of meat. It's like so meaty.
Yeah, because...
Well, you're cooking with meat, so...
And it just keeps evaporating out.
And it just gets more and more intense. It's like, when we get to the end of this, you just drink the gravy from the bottom.
And I think we're masters of this now because cooking the bits of garlic, right? And then adding that touch of fresh lemon.
And
Thai style.
Uh-huh. And you know it's Thai because we got the basil.
Yeah. And that's also in the broth. There you go.
Oh, this is the pearl one. Rick, you're going for the new... You are going to be so surprised, Rick. You really are. It is giggling happy. And there the two are. The orchid and the hop-on. There's going to be a war.
Watch this space. We've done the sunset all-you-can-eat buffet.
This is so good on the river.
For 200 each and very cheap beers. And then we'll do you the cruise up the river. Good to see your public transport. The green flag and the blue flag. Oh wow. Move your butt.
It's done so good. Wow. That is pure what we cooked.
It's just after 6 now. We got here just after 5, I think. It's filled up a bit.
There should be more people here. Definitely.
Some are sitting behind you. There's like mostly just locals here.
Yeah, because they know where the good spots are.
Yeah, you gotta read Reddit. Thanks guys on Reddit.
Called a Mookata. We actually looked that up. Pork means moo. Moo means pork and kata means pan. So pork pan. And a lot of pork chicken was really good as well. But the whole experience with the veg and the noodles.
A must-do activity in Bangkok. Get a Mookata on the river. I translated that side and it says not all work, 50 baht a person. So I think they can cook it for you for 50 baht a person.
I'm putting some things we missed out. Dumplings and salpay, whatever it's called. And a pudding station. Oh, wow.
Yeah, wow, people get slabs of meat. We're quite amateurs when it comes to this sort of thing. And Bryan has just spotted that there's actually pudding as well.
There's no chance of eating it.
No.
Finally get a chance to try whatever these green things are.
Do you
I
grill
see.
them?
Maybe, I don't know.
Green things.
Oh, it's very sour.
Sour.
Oh, sour mango.
Ah, green mangoes. There's chili. Yeah, I know.
Here we are picking up prawns.
No, we're so full.
He's actually cleaning some here as well. Hello. Busy cleaning the prawns there. Papaya salad ingredients and little crabs. Well, that was so good, but I do hurt a little.
Mookata 1, Bryan 0. If you get an opportunity to do this, and why wouldn't you? Come and do it.